Good morning, everybody. So this week we're going to start talking about a new phonics pattern. Last week and the week before we talked all about digraphs. This week we're going to talk about consonant blends, specifically L blends. So what a blend is, it's 2 or 3 letters that blend together. Each letter is pronounced individually, but it's done very quickly. So we blend them together. Like, let's see, if I had, the word block. Let's say the word block. I'm going to sound out that word, and at the beginning of my word, I have that consonant blend. And we'll sound it out here, so we have block. B, ooh, ah, k, block. And if I look here, I have my boxes here, and I have 4 boxes today because there's going to be 4 sounds. B, ooh, ah, k. And when I say those, that beginning sound, those b, ooh, that's at the beginning of my word. Blends can be at the beginning or the end of the word, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. But right now, we're going to focus on the beginning sound of the word. Block. Now, when I say block, the BL has the 2 sounds, b, ooh. But when I blend them together, they sound bull. It's like, it's almost one sound, right? It's because we say it so quickly. So, b, ooh, bull. We say it really quickly. So we're going to look at some of our words here. And these are called L blends because the second letter in each word is L. So like BL or GL, those are the ones we're working on, say BL and GL. So that has, so BL, B, ooh, I'm going to say them together quickly, bull. And then GL, G. So I have G, ooh, I'm going to say them really quickly, goo. So I said really quick. So like down here, this word, block. So you see the BL, bull, ah, and it has that digraph at the end, CK, like we did last week. B, ooh, say it together really quick. Bull, ah, and then glad. G, ooh, ad, glad. So g, ooh, gl, add. All right, so I have some words that we're going to be making today. Before we start that, let's say some other words. We have like the word black. We hear that b, bull, black, glad, or blue. Those are all L blends. And so we're going to be making L blends today, BL and GL. So I have my letters here. Quite a lot of letters today, which is great. We're going to make, but we're still only going to make 10 words like we normally do. So I have my board, I have my marker and my paper. So if you don't have that, go ahead and go pause the video and go get yourself a piece of paper and something to write with, okay? So I'm going to get my things ready, and here we go. I hope you guys are back and ready to start. My first word I'm going to begin with is actually my first few letters here. B, A, C, K. Well, look at that. It has that digraph at the beginning, the digraph at the end, the CK, but I don't have my blend yet. So let's sound out our word. B, a, k, back. That's right, it's the word back. So let's go ahead and write our word back on our boards, on our papers. So I'm going to write my word back nice and neat. Again, we're going to write neatly, and we can write kind of big, but not too big, so we have to fit 10 words on our page. So, b, a, k. And it has that digraph at the end, so we know all about that because we learned about that last week. Back. Good. So now we're going to make our next word, and I'm going to add my blend in here. So I'm going to move my letters over a little bit, and I'm going to bring down my L, and we're going to make that L blend here. So let's sound it out. B, ooh, ack. And remember, B, L are going to come together really fast. Bull, bull, ack. Black. Good job. The word black, like I'm wearing a black shirt today. Black. So let's sound it out and write it together. So bull is going to be B-L. And then that I know at the end of a word is going to be my digraph, CK. Great. So let's go on to our next word. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Our next word, I'm going to take away my vowel. I'm going to change my vowel this time. So I'm going to leave my blend at the beginning. Then I'm going to bring my vowel O down. And let's see how that changes our word. So let's do our beginning, our blend at the beginning, B-L. So bull, bull, ah, block. That's right, the word block. Great job. Let's write our word, that blend at the beginning. B-ul, bull, ah, and then that CK digraph at the end. Block. Good job. All right, so now I'm going to take away that digraph. I'm going to change this up a little bit. Then I'm going to bring my digraph back up here. And then I'm going to bring down my W. Now, this is going to change my word a little bit. And we talked a little bit earlier this year about OW words. So the word I made here is bull. So it has that blend, the BL, bull, and then OW says O. Bull, O. Blow. Yeah, like I'm going to blow bubbles today. Blow. So let's sound out that word as we write it. So that blend, bull, is at the beginning. So that's B-L, bull. And then O is going to be O-W, not just O by itself. Good. Blow. Yeah, let's go on to our next word. And we're going to try our new, the next blend here. And I'm going to take my B away. And I'm going to bring down the letter G and see how that changes things. Look how G hangs out a little bit lower too. G is one of those letters that gets to hang out below the line. So let's sound out our word. Remember, G-L, g-ul. We're going to blend it together. Gul, gul, o. Glow. Good. Glow. I like glow in the dark stars. Glow. So I'm going to write that here. G, ooh, and then O-W for O. Glow. Fantastic, my friends. So let's continue on. Now I'm going to change my ending here. So I'm going to take W and O away. And I'm actually going to replace it with UE. Now, again, we've talked about UE a little bit in class, but we didn't have a whole lot of time. Maybe we'll get to review it again later on. So my word here, I'm going to keep my GL blend. So gul, so make that blend. Say it together quickly. Gul, gul, and then UE put together says ooh. Gul, ooh. Glue. That's right. Great job. Glue. So I'm going to start a new column on my paper. And we're going to write our word as we sound it out. So gul is GL. Gul. And then ooh, U-E, glue. Good job. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next word here. And I'm going to go back to using my B at the beginning. So I'm going to take my G, put it up here, and I'm going to bring my B down. And we're going to look at this again and look here. Remember, B-L, say it bliss. B-ooh, put it together. Bull, bull, ooh. Blue. Fantastic. Blue. So I'm going to sound that out. So for my blend at the beginning, blue. Ooh. Here we go. There's that word, blue. Good work. Now, let's go on to our next word. And I'm going to change things up a lot this time as well. So I'm going to keep my blend at the beginning, my BL. Then I'm going to bring up U and E. I'm actually going to bring down a bunch of letters here. So I'm going to change up my word. I should have kept my E down there. Now, this word, I'm going to look at it very carefully. I see my blend at the beginning. So BL. So B-ul. Say it together quickly. Bull. But now I'm going to look at my last three letters. I could sound it out and say bull ad eh. But we know when an E is at the end of the word, it's silent. And it jumps over D, bops A on the head, and says, hey, say your own name. So we're going to make sure A says its own name and E is silent. So we say our bull. Say it together quickly. Bull, A, D. Blade. Good job. Blade. So let's write our word. So we're going to sound it out. That first blend, bull, is BL. Aid. So A, D. Now, does that say blade? Nope, I need my silent E at the end to make A say its own name. Now it says blade because blad is not a word. That's silly. We need the E at the end to make it say blade. Good work. Okay, so let's go on to our next word. And I'm going to take my B away, and I'm going to bring my G down. Again, G is going to hang out just a little bit lower than the other letters. And let's sound it out. So we've got that GL. G-ul. Say it together quickly. Gul. Aid. Glade. Good. So again, let's write that word. Glade. So my first sound, gul. G-L. Aid. I know it's A-D, and that sneaky E at the end. Glade. Fantastic. We have one more word to do today, and all I'm going to do is I am going to take away that sneaky E, and that's going to change the A sound, right? So it's no longer glade, it's going to be glad. Glad. Good work, my friends. Glad. So let's write it as we sound it out. Remember, we have that g-ul, glad. So G-L. Glad. Fantastic work. Look at all these words we learned today. So let's read through our words we have here. Back, black, block, blow, glow, glue, blue, blade, glade, glad. Good job. Remember, with these L blends, it was the first and the second sound. They come together really fast to blend them together. So we have b-ul. Say it together. Bull. G-ul, gul. Good job. We're going to move on tomorrow when we do our video, and we're going to look at CL and PL. All right. Have a great day, my friends, and I will see you later.